but I just want to do a quick overview of the Ryobi pressure washer. You've got the model number, soap dispenser, detergent dispenser, and that's the pipe and attachments that comes with it, with the pressure hose. The connection to the pressure hose is right in front. You can see you attach it there. And for the water pipe, back, get where the water, the normal garden hose get plugged in. But I would quickly want to show you. This is your normal garden hose attached at the back. Right, and then you have your power socket, and you also have your switch on and off button, and that's basically it. Not much on off, and that's basically it. Right, and then I want to do a quick show how to use it to wash your vehicle. I'm gonna show you now how to spray your car with shampoo with the Ryobi pressure washer. First we're gonna attach the spray gun. Right, once that is attached to your high pressure pipe, then you attach the, it's already mixed, it's shampoo, car shampoo with I filled it quarter with car shampoo and hot water. Hot water, it helps it make more foam. Alright, so right, let's start. Right, that was just for demonstration purposes, and if you can see, half of the vehicle use half of a full bottle I filled, but normally I can do the whole vehicle with this one can full. So we're just gonna go close and see what it's done. So as you can see, the foam just gets less as it drips down. It doesn't give you the heavy foam, but for me it's good enough. Normally I let it stay like that for 5 minutes, so we can just work through taking off some dirt. If you want to take a sponge or something just to wipe off the excess dirt. For me, I just rinse it off and then use a semi just to make it dry. Only problem you have with this is you will still have the water running off on the sides and everywhere where water gets stuck in. But otherwise I'm happy with what the machine can do. So for me, the Ryobi is doing quite well. Very good machine, I think. You can do otherwise other stuff also, like cleaning your floors or the paving, and it will do a good job because the pressure is quite high. Right, we're just gonna rinse off the vehicle with a Ryobi pressure washer. Right now I just use my semi and dry it off. Thank you. This is only spraying with a pressure washer and then rinsing it off. Remember, I only did one side as a sample to see what it looks like, and it's quite clean. This is without using anything, just the pressure washer, and then drying it off with your semi cloth, and this is your result. I'm happy with the result. Thanks for watching.